when you are spending money and you are sure that the money is coming back, it's sweet to spend. Right now, you have a smartphone, you watch videos online, and you are not creating content. I don't know what to call you, seriously. This is a message to all content creators and all those that have it in mind to start creating content some days. So what I have to tell you is this. You see, in this content creation journey, if you give up, you are the one that is at lost. I must be honest with you. Because these days, big creators are not joking, they are not playing, because they know what they are getting out of content creation. As a result, they do everything possible to always create content. Before I proceed, I want to quickly share this story for you. Most of you might have known this big content creator, Benyomedo. She's on FB, she's on all social media handles, she's also on YouTube here. Benyomedo just came to Nigeria for vacation, herself and her family. And every member of her family, extended family, her parents, her grandparents, her siblings, and the husband's siblings, they are all with her in her house in Lagos, Nigeria. Her own husband's younger brother that has been with them since they've been in Nigeria. I've been observing the guy, I've been watching them. The guy has been camera shy and off the red. The guy is decided that he just not just too comfortable with camera on his face. But guess what happened? Just yesterday, they opened a Facebook page for the guy. And within 21 hours that they opened Facebook page for this guy, and this guy has gotten over 5K followers on Facebook with active views. Like the view I checked today that made me to make this video of that same guy, the name of the guy, by the way, on Facebook is Sir John. He's already having 22,000 views. This is somebody that just opened a channel in less than 24 hours. What am I saying? Benyomedo and the husband make sure the husband's younger brother open this Facebook, even when this guy in question is camera shy. Why did they do this? They know the benefit that comes with it. They know the financial freedom that comes with it. Obviously, the guy is a young guy, and it doesn't end there. Benyomedo herself, her own younger brother, Mr. White, has been having a Facebook page for some time now, and the Benyomedo's younger brother, that is Mr. White, because the sister is in Lagos, like have been creating content in the sister house, having to come see the sister and all. His followers has grown to 100,000 followers. Do you know what it means for somebody to have 100,000 followers? And these people, if you check their content is not really valuable at this. Do you know why they are having this massive audience on their pages? Is because their sister already have a platform, because Benyomedo on Facebook already have 2 million plus followers. They are thriving on the sister's platform. Because of Benyomedo platform, you could see these people, they are doing so bigger things, they are growing so fast and all of that. So my message today is that if you are a content creator or you are thinking if you should start creating content, you better start now. Because these people, Benyomedo and their family, don't forget, they just came to Nigeria for vacation. They would have as well decided to keep their life private ever since they come. But they'll be uploading back to back. If Benny did not upload on her Facebook page at all in a day, 6-7 times. That is if she did not upload at all. The grandmother is in her house. The mother is in her house. She's using everybody around her to create content. Not considering the fact that I came from UK, let me keep my life private. She didn't. Do you think she don't know what she's doing? Because she know anytime she put out content, she have money coming into her account. So be wise. Okay, let's look at other creators. Look at Jenny Sleazy and all. She's creating content, full-time content creator. Okay, look at this other guy, Olivia Hair Tutorial. You and I know that when that lady started her content here on this social media space, it was all strictly on hair, making hair and all that. But before you know, she gradually moved to lifestyle link. Before you know, even the husband, that if you know her before, she wasn't showing her husband's face. Her husband is the one now, even on camera, like creating content back to back. You understand? These people are doing bigger things with social media money. So it's you that have not started at lost. If you are thinking, should I start or should I close my channel? Start now and start growing your channel. Start building your channel. Because future to come, your niece and your nephew, your brother and your sisters will come and take advantage of your platform and grow their own platform. Because social media now, social media is not the new oil money. Check it or leave it. People, back to the story of Benyomedo. That is actually what prompted me to even make this video. Okay, right now they're in Nigeria with the husband and all. Do you think if they were doing 9 to 5 job, they would have been able to travel like that? Even when they travel, they will be checking their account. They will know that anytime they are coming here, they are spending money. Obviously, they are spending money in Nigeria, but they are not worried. You know why? Because as they are coming here to Nigeria, they have more content to create, and they are putting out more content there, and they are making more money in this content, and they have money to do bigger things. So they are not worried. They've been able to travel anytime, any day they want to travel, and they have money to do anything they want to do at ease. Do you know one thing, eh? When you are spending money and you are sure that the money is coming back, it's sweet to spend. If you are with your family, like, do you think if Benny don't have money, Benny will invite the mother, the brothers, the sister, the husband, brothers, then the grandmother to stay with her in the house in Lagos for days? She's the one feeding and taking care of them, like grown up, and these are not kids, grown up adults, and the aunties and uncles are coming from left, right, and center to visit her. Do you think if she don't have money, she will be able to shoulder that responsibility? She won't. So my message to all of you creating content is that if you have not started creating content, you are the one at lost. And if you are started creating content, my advice for you is that don't relax. Support other creators. If you're a content creator watching this video right now, drop in the comment section, I am a content creator. Let's support ourselves. Let's do it together. Now we don't have brothers and sisters that will help us grow our channel. Let's help ourselves. Benny Omeda was not having brothers and sisters that will help her grow her channel years back. She grew her channel all by herself. But right now, she's using her own platform to grow the siblings' channel. Let's engage. Let's support ourselves, guys. Because if you lose God, if you quit, now you lose all. Okay, wait, let me quickly ask you this question. Have you ever imagined why people you think they shouldn't, at least these are people that have traveled out of the country, at least to a reasonable extent, they've relieved of the stress of what will I eat today and all that. But even at that, they still carry content creation on top of their head. Have you wondered why some people are doing some funny things to start creating content? That things they will ordinarily not share about their life and family. You see some people bringing it to social media, and you will be like, how can this person bring this to social media? Yes, it might not be right for the person to bring it to social media, but the person knew if you bring it to social media, it will fetch him or her more money. So that's why you see the person bringing those things. People are going haywire. People are going as fast, doing anything possible to create content. Right now, you have a smartphone. You watch videos online, and you are not creating content. I don't know what to call you, seriously. Your life alone is a content. Even when you are in the village, wherever you are, your life is a content. People will watch. You might say, I don't have all the gadgets, I don't have everything that I need to start creating content. But you have a phone that you are using to watch internet. Me that is filming this video for you right now, my daughter has destroyed my tripod. I don't have tripod using to feed this video currently. I'm only just using my phone. And it's about raining. Everywhere is cloudy right now in my house. So there is no NEPA lights. I don't know if you understand. But yet I can film this video. How was I able to film this video? All I have with me is just my phone and a rechargeable lamp that I bought from Aboki. These are the two gadgets I'm using to film this video. So if I can do it, you too can do it. That your iPhone, that your Android phone you are using. Clean the camera lens. Sit down anywhere you choose to and start filming your videos. Before you know, people will be contacting you for different things. Before you know, you see yourself growing big. I think I've been able to push you today to start creating content if you haven't. And if you are out there, you want to start creating content, you want to open the YouTube channel, you want to open the Facebook page, you just want to start creating content, you don't even know how to go about it, you don't even know how it works, you don't even have a physical coach, you just want somebody to guide you, drop it in the comment section for me, reach out to me, and I will reply to your comment, obviously. And don't forget to do that. Let's get started. Don't be discouraged. This is 2025. You shouldn't be sleeping. You should be making cool money online. Thank you, my princess. You should be making cool money online. You work whenever you want to work. You sleep whenever you want to sleep. You wake up whenever you want to wake up. And you'll be the boss of your own self. Do you know that's sweet? Do you know there is no work that will give you that privilege? There is no work, not even your personal business, that will give you that privilege to do that. That you do things whenever you want to do things. You travel whenever you want to travel. So let's be in the comment section. Let's finalize things in the comment section.